Hey guys, so I was in the middle of popping all my nails and I just wanted to quickly show you part of my Christmas. My partner had actually bought this because he thought it would be perfect to go with my prize winnings, and I needed a new desk lamp anyway, and I had my eye on this one for ages, so I just want to show you what it's like. So I just need to try and get it out of the box. So this is it here. Move these out of the way. So we have the desk clamp, which is nice and sturdy, quite heavy. The power. So I'll just get rid of this box. And this is the beauty here. So very well packaged. So what I'll do is I'm going to quickly set it up and then I'll come back and show you what it's like. So guys, this is it set up. So I'll come round and show you, probably easier. Just excuse all the mess in here. I'm actually in the middle of trying to get it all organised. So this is how it is. And I'll just come back round again and show you. So you can move it as close to the table as you like, high up. If you slacken this off slightly, you can move this light any way you want to. So it's going to be fantastic. So we'll just tighten that up again now. And then to switch it on, you're just going to press the button. So it is pretty bright, and this goes all the way around. You can change it, so you can dim it or have it as bright as you like. And again, as I say, you can really get close to see. So I'm hoping this is going to be good for nail pictures as well. I'm loving how you can just move it how you like. So what I'll do is I'll show you the comparison between my clamp and this one. So I'll just quickly go and bring this back round and I'll show you the difference in light. Right, so I'll just bring my clamp back round. So she'll just move that one out of the way. So this one's pretty good as well. Pretty bright. You can change it. It's not quite as adaptable as the Halo one. You can't dim this one. This is just set on that light all the time. So this is how much light you're getting with that. So what I'll do is I'll put that one back off. We'll bring the Halo one down and I'll just show you. It's pretty bright. So and to switch it off, you're just here on the power button and you just double tap. So we'll see what it's like when I get my first client in the new year. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please apologise for all the mess. As I say, it will be nice and tidy soon. I'm just in the middle of relocating all my stuff and setting it all back up. Anyway, speak to you in the next video guys, and bye for now. Merry Christmas.